I'm gonna miss my flight. Ridiculous. I know. I'm ridiculous. Fuck my life. I'm so tired. I'm not heading to Snorkelling. It's in Bucking Gasse. I'm actually heading to the cafeteria, so I went through security, so gonna get some good food and a good view, hopefully. And my GoPro got confiscated. Pretty amazing inside. It's pretty beautiful, and yeah, I guess now I'm heading to the city hall and to check out the cool architectures and stuff. See you around. My last day here in Vienna. I wish I could have spent longer and check out more museums, but yeah. So the last place I'm gonna go to before I head to the airport is Cafe Central. This is called RSurströmming. So let's try it. That's pretty delicious. Perfect. Off we go. I'm going home to Bristol.
A few moments later.
I see no fucking body. I'm in this whatever station. Schellenbach station. I'm gonna miss my flight. Ridiculous. I know. I'm ridiculous. Great. I'm now at least 1 hour away from the airport, and the next train is in 30 minutes. And the fastest I can get there is 6:15, and my flight is 6. So I screwed up. I totally screwed up. Ah, best experience ever. I mean, seriously. Fuck my life. So, I'm gonna try and make it on my flight. My scheduled flight is at 6, and my next train is 5:05. And it's gonna take me 1 hour and 15 minutes to get there. And so I'll get there about 6:15, 6:20. And for the first time, I'm gonna pray that Ryanair gets delayed more than 15-20. Less delayed for 1 hour, so I can make it, please, because the next flight is gonna be at 8:45, and it's gonna cost me like 80 euros. And I don't know, please, just please, I'm just gonna pray that God will help me, or else I'm just gonna be throwing money into the river.
2 hours later.
Well, yeah, I didn't make it. Never mind. cottages.